This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rear shock absorber renewal. Make sure the vehicle is placed in first gear. Then chock the front wheels. Remove the wheel nut covers. Then fit the locking wheel nut adapter and slacken the wheel nuts. Jack up the vehicle. Position it on axle stands and lower it onto the stands. Remove the jack. Undo the nuts and remove the rear wheels from the vehicle. Using a trolley jack, slightly raise the trailing arm on the side being worked on. Take care not to damage the handbrake cable with the jack head. Unscrew and remove the shock absorber lower mounting bolt from the trailing arm. A new bolt will be required for refitting. Slacken, then unscrew the shock absorber upper mounting bracket bolts and remove the shock absorber from the vehicle. Working on the bench, remove the upper mounting bracket and bump stop from the shock absorber body. Fit the upper mounting bracket and bump stop to the new shock absorber. Place the shock absorber in position and refit the two upper mounting bracket bolts, then tighten the bolts. Refit the new shock absorber lower mounting bolt, but only slightly tighten it at this stage. Lower, then remove the trolley jack from under the trailing arm and refit the wheel. Use a jack to raise the vehicle, then remove the axle stands. Lower the vehicle to the ground and remove the jack. Tighten the shock absorber lower mounting bolt. Now angle tighten the bolt a further 65 degrees.